Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to have multiple line in a line plot. So here I have three lines here. So this is a multiple line plot, and all of them are in one figure. So line 1 is shown in blue, line 2 is shown in red, and also line 3 is shown in green. And you see that there are three different markers that are used. For example, here we are having the O, we are having the S, which is a square, and the triangle here we are having it. So, and this is my plot. This is the dashed line, the red one. And this one is the blue one is a solid line, and the green one is the dashed dash dot line. So how can we do that? How can we plot that? First, we need the Matplotlib library to be imported. Then we are having the x values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the x-axis is the same for all of them, but the y-axis is different. Okay. So we see that all of them are having the same x values. So this in this place, x equals 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5 for all of the lines. So x is shared. Then we are having the y values for different lines. We are having line 1, line 2, and line 3. Here we are creating the y values. Then here we are plotting multiple lines with labels. So we are having the x value for all of them, then y1, y2, and y3. We are having different markers, O, S, and the triangle you see. We are having different line style. So we are having solid line, dashed dot line. We are having different colors, blue, red, and green, and different labels as well. Then we label the x-axis label, and y-axis label, and the title, multiple line plot example. Then we are having the grid, we are having the legend, which is shown here. And finally, we use the show function to plot our figure. So this is how we can have multiple lines in one line plot. Thank you for watching.